In this lesson, we'll be factoring quadratics. And so before we get into quadratics, let's do a bit of review. So the way that we factored 6x plus 8 visually was we remembered that we had different size pieces. We remember that this shape was our x piece, and then the regular unit numbers was this small little square. And so when we rearrange those pieces, we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then 8 small ones. And so the way that we did this was we found the base and height, right? So we remember that this right here represents a height of 1, 2, and then this width, this is x, this is x, this is x, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This was 3x plus 4. So 6x plus 8 factored to 2 times 3x plus 4. And then we went over a shortcut for that. We had to remember the format of our answer, which was like so. And then we had to find the GCF. When we find the GCF of 6x and 8, we get a GCF of 2, so that 2 went out front, and then it was 2 multiply 3x, which was 6x, and then 2 multiply 4, which was 8. So what is a quadratic? A quadratic is an equation or expression that has a degree of 2. And so what that degree of 2 means, it means that the biggest exponent in that equation is a 2, right? So that means that these equations and expressions are now going to have an x squared term, not just an x term. Okay, so for example, this right here, x squared plus 5x plus 6, this is a quadratic because it has that x squared term. Okay, and so let's refresh our memory on the dimensions of these. So we have a new piece right here, right? So this is the x, and remember this side is 1, this side is x, and the area of it is x times 1, which is x. This is 1 by 1, 1 times 1 is 1, and the sides of the square one, and make sure you label this clearly on your paper, is that this is x and this is x, which makes the area x times x, x squared. Okay, so how we factor this is we're going to be given x squared plus 5x plus 6. And so we can remember that there's an invisible 1 in front of this x squared, right? So that means we're going to have 1 x squared, so you have 1 square. We have 5 x's, so we have 5 of these green rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 6 of these little ones, and so we play around with these. And the types of rectangles we're going to make with these ones are usually going to look something like this. So we're going to have to like move around them a little bit, but then we get this nice rectangle here. And so let's go ahead and find out the base and height. So we remember that this side of this is x, this side is 1 and 1, so this in total is x plus 2. And then this side is x, and we have plus 1, 1, 1, so this whole side is x plus 3. So that means that x squared plus 5x plus 6 factors into x plus 3 multiply x plus 2. And then you could also flip those around if you wanted. It'd be the same thing either way, x plus 2 times x plus 3. Both are correct. Let's do that once again. So we are going to be factoring x squared plus 4x plus 3. Right, we're going to be using these same pieces, so that means we're going to have 1 of these x squareds, we're going to have 4 of these x's, and then we're going to have 3 of these, right? And so you might have to rotate these a little bit to where, you know, oh, maybe it's going to be here, maybe it'll be like this, maybe we'll, I don't know, maybe we want 2 on each side. You know, we try this, and then it's like, all right, let's put that here, oh, that doesn't work. Right, that's not a rectangle, so we got to move it around. Maybe let's go back to the original idea. Put that here, and then you see, okay, now we do have a nice rectangle. And so once again, we find the base and height of this. We see here that this side of the square is x. This is 1, 1, 1, so this entire side is x plus 3. And then this side of this square is x, this side is 1, so this entire side here is x plus 1. So that means x squared plus 4x plus 3 factors into x plus 1 times x plus 3, or x plus 3 times x plus 1. Last one, x squared plus 8x plus 12. I think you guys hopefully get the idea now. We have one of these x squareds. We're going to have 8 of these x's and 12 of these pieces. And just to save a little bit of time, because you guys will have these pieces in front of you, it is arranged like so. So we have x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, x plus 6 for that side, x plus 2 for this side. So this factors into x plus 6 times x plus 2. And once again, you can flip those around. Both are acceptable. Thank you for listening.